Your home is a huge investment, and your heating and cooling system is a big part of it. A well-maintained system can help you improve your home's air quality and maybe even save you money. But keeping things running like they should will sometimes require an expert hand. Definitely someone you can trust.
Some of the common issues customers have with their air conditioning systems is clogged drain lines. We recommend your air conditioner be changed every 10 years. The condition of your coils, they become impacted with debris, dirt, and bacterial growth. The location of your outdoor unit, whether the sun's beating right down on it. And then also undersized ductwork is a very common issue which leads to your air conditioning system being inefficient.
There are so many things that could go wrong if you hire an unlicensed HVAC contractor. So FPL Home Services and their expert licensed and insured technicians give you the peace of mind you're looking for.
The difference between FPL Home Services and most other contractors is we're a licensed and insured company, and we live by 3 core values. We treat people with respect, we do the right thing, and we're committed to excellence. Our technicians are trained for over 100 hours a year, and FPL Home Services is a big part of the community and has been for over 30 years. One way you can make your HVAC system more energy efficient is by scheduling routine maintenances with us. During this maintenance, we do everything from checking your temperature differential, cleaning your indoor and outdoor coils, checking your amp draws of motors and compressors, checking refrigerant levels to make sure it's optimal, changing your filters. Maintaining your system is like maintaining your car. You do it for safety. You don't want your house to become flooded or bacterial growth to grow throughout your duct system.
Now that you have your home temperature under control, let's see how to improve your energy consumption.
We recommend our customers to go with the latest programmable thermostats. They allow you to set schedules so that your air conditioner is not running all the time. We recommend when installing a programmable thermostat that you ensure it's not close to any electronic devices that'll give off heat, as the thermostat will give you the wrong reading. Another reason our customers are getting these thermostats is they're able to control it from their electronic device or by voice command.
FPL Home Services, an FPL home company, can help keep your home comfortable while reducing the risk of high repair bills.
My experience with FPL Home Services was great. I called them out late on a Friday night. They came and repaired my air conditioning unit. It was a clogged drain. They sent a technician out right away. A guy came out, he unclogged the drain, and I had cool air within minutes after that. The difference between FPL Home Services and other companies is that they've been in the community for a long time. They've got expert technicians. They have availability 24/7 on nights and weekends. They have the right safety equipment, including booties on their shoes to make me feel safe in my home. FPL Home Services made a great recommendation on installing a smart thermostat. And once we installed it, we immediately saw a decrease in our electric bills.
FPL Home Services master experts handle all the repairs, so you can focus more on enjoying your home and less on maintaining it.
At FPL Home Services, we offer a 60-point inspection. We offer installations of any residential or light commercial air conditioning systems, including ductwork. We can repair or replace any indoor or outdoor unit. Our work is guaranteed with straightforward pricing, and you can always reach our customer service on the 24/7 hotline.
To find out more how FPL Home Services can help you with plumbing, electrical, cooling, and heating systems, or generator services, visit fplhome.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.